Hey everybody, 123 Mr. B here. We are doing some more mixed number action, mixed numbers with borrowing. This time I'm going to show it vertically first. Why? Just because I wrote it on a page like that automatically. Okay, so here's what we can do here. We know that the LCM, we don't have to worry about that because our denominators are fine. Let's just divide up the place values and go like this. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 subtract 5 is negative 3. Our size of our slice didn't change, so that's it. 5 and negative 3 over 9. The problem is we're not done. We're not going to leave this here. And the reason for that is because of this. Negative 3 over 9 we know is the same as also 3 over negative 9. But it's also the same as this, negative 3 over 9. So if that's true, then what this really is 5 minus 3 over 9. So we're actually just simply not done. So here's what we're going to do at this stage. I'm going to break this 5 down to a 4 plus a 1. I'm allowed to do that, right? And then I'm going to put that negative sign in the 3/9 there. Now I'm going to realize that 1 can be written as 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 9 over 9. And I'm going to use 9 over 9 because this is out of 9. So I'm going to rearrange that. That's 9 over 9. Bring everything down. 4 plus 9 over 9 minus 3 over 9. Then I'm going to group those together. 9 minus 3 over 9. 4 plus that, which is 4 plus 6 ninths. Okay, it's getting tight there. 4 and 6 ninths, and I see I can simplify that to be 4 and 2 divided by 3, or 2/3. Okay, so this means we're done. Okay, that's what happens when we have to borrow sometimes. But I'm going to show you this in another way because maybe that other way is shorter. Oh, look, I gravely made a mistake. I forgot to put my equal signs in here. If we don't have, so this bar is the equal sign first. Okay, that's true. If we don't have the equal sign, it's like a bunch of numbers floating around, and that means nothing. We have to have an equal sign. Now this thing, so equals this, equals this, equals this, equals this, and equals this, and so forth. If we don't have that, then our statements of truth don't exist. It's just a bunch of numbers, like I said. And this stuff here, this is all thought clouds. So I better put those in little balloons of thought. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. 7 and 2/9 minus 2 and 5/9. Let's see if this side to side way is a little shorter. Okay, 7 minus 2 and then 2/9 minus 5/9. Okay, so I know that this is simply 5 and then 2 minus 5 over 9. Okay, it looks like we're back to square one. 5 and then negative 3 over 9, which is the same as 4 plus 1, and then negative 3 over 9, 4 plus 9 over 9, that's the 1, plus negative 3 over 9. Combine this, 9 plus negative 3 over 9, 4. Okay, everything comes down, and that's 4 plus 6 over 9. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, equals 4 plus, 4 and 6/9, which equals 4 and 2/3. So let me figure this out here. Vertical way, horizontal way are both super long and they made no difference. I guess what matters is that you ultimately need to know how to do this kind of stuff in order to be successful at this and very lickety-split. This is sort of like numerical acrobatics. At this kind of stuff. I'm just trying to think if there's another way. I'm sure there's tons of other ways to do it, but at least you have these two ways. I notice that students either get this stuff or they don't. And what happens in your future math class is that this procedure of whipping together numbers and ripping them apart needs to be, it'll be taken for granted. And the faster you are at this, the better you'll be. So this is a perfect training ground to be successful at your future classes. Keep that in your back pocket, okay? Let's move on to the next video.